Oh yeah, nice peacock. Nice. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Urban Florida Fishing. My name is Will, and today I'm going to be fishing with this swim bait here from Rose Coulee Swim Baits. And I found a pond and a canal back here, deep into this nature trail, and I'm going to throw it in there and see what we can pull out. Hopefully we pull out a big bass and some big snakeheads. Let's go at it. Let's have a go. Really nice bass right there. Look at that. Nice sized bass there on the swim bait, on the Rose Coulee swim bait there. Look at that. Super nice sized bass right there. Okay, let's go ahead and put him back. There you go, buddy. There you go. Oh yeah, got a nice one right there. Got a nice one. Oh yeah, look at that. On the Cicada. On the Cicada. Yes. Okay, he's flapping like crazy. Oh, that's a nice bass. Okay, so I switched to my Cicada here. Got a nice bass on it. Look at that. Really nice bass on that Cicada. He hit it right on the edge. Beautiful fish. Completely healthy. Let's go ahead and put him back. I switched to the Cicada because I wasn't catching much on the swim bait. I only caught one on the swim bait. As soon as I switched to the Cicada, he hit it really hard. Let's put him back. Nice fish. Oh. There you go, buddy. Go ahead, on your way. On your way. Okay. They're sitting on the edge. Oh yeah. There he is. Got him right on the edge. Another nice one. Another nice bass on the Cicada. On the edge. Another nice sized bass on the Cicada. This is my third bass today on this little Cicada you see here. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Another nice sized bass. Let's go ahead and give him a put back. He's a beautiful fish. Thanks everybody for letting me catch you. Hope you enjoy your day. Okay, third fish of the day. Oh yeah, he's nice. Oh, I gotta pull him out of there. Oh yeah, okay. Another fish on the Cicada. Wow. Wow, I'm just having a lot of luck today. Fourth fish of the day on the Cicada. Man, this Cicada's paying off today. Really nice job. This nice small bass. Let's go ahead and put him back. Oh, wow, where's that standing right there? Okay, buddy, I gotta launch it because I can't get to the edge. Yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice peacock. Nice peacock right there. Look at that. Let's get him up to the bank. Yeah, that was a good hit. Good hit. Okay. Oh, came off the line already. Came off the line. Look at this peacock. Really nice fish. All right. I didn't even have to take him off the hook. Super nice fish. Look at this fish. Beautiful colors on this fish. Oh my goodness. Just absolutely beautiful colors. All right. Go ahead and release him right here. Beautiful fish. That's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be updated with all the videos that I'm going to be uploading. Thank you for watching once again. Have a wonderful day.